Hello students, on behalf of Dhruvika Academy, we wish you and your family a very happy independence. Today we celebrate the sacrifice of countless heroes who gave us the freedom that we enjoy.
Freedom brings responsibility. As students, your biggest responsibility is to learn, grow, and prepare yourself to contribute positively to the society.
Every hour you spend studying today becomes a step toward a strong future, not only for yourself but also for our nation.
India needs skilled professionals, ethical leaders, innovators, entrepreneurs, and problem solvers.
Success is not just about securing a job or a rank. True success comes when your knowledge improves lives and create opportunity for others.
Dream big, work hard, stay focused, never stop learning.
Let's bring a bright future together.
Study with purpose, serve with pride, and contribute to the nation building.
Let's build a brighter future together.
Let's build a nation with youths.
Happy Independence Day to everyone. Jai Hind.
Happy Independence Day, students. Jai Hind.
Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Happy Independence to everyone. Jai Hind.
Make India proud. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Happy Independence Day, Jai Hind.